Introducing the Swaraj Seat by Jain'm Seats, purpose-built for Sonalika tractors and engineered for long-lasting performance. The Swaraj Seat features premium cushioning that provides excellent support and reduces fatigue, even during extended hours in the field. Upholstered in high-quality Rexine, the seat is resistant to dust, wear, and moisture, ensuring it stays clean and professional-looking no matter the conditions. With a manual weight adjustment knob, drivers can fine-tune the support to match their body weight, creating a more personalized and stable seating experience. The smooth front and back sliding mechanism adds flexibility and ergonomic comfort, allowing for optimal legroom and posture adjustment. Built with a focus on durability, the Swaraj seat features a reinforced structure that can handle constant movement, rough terrain, and day-to-day wear without compromising on stability. Every element, from the stitching to the internal build, is designed to meet the high expectations of hard-working professionals in agriculture. Whether it's planting, tilling, or transporting, the Swaraj seat gives Sonalika tractor operators the comfort, control, and confidence they need. Jain'm Seats, engineered for endurance, designed for performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more product videos and visit jainmagro.in to explore our full range of tractor seating solutions.